And now for another pizza unboxing. Today's pizza comes from That's Amore, located on Butler Street in Pittsburgh. Alright, let's take a look here. Well, basically they have slice pies, and for just $2 each, I was able to get these slices. Cheese, pepperoni. I'm excited. One of my favorite pizza places. Great sauce, great cheese. I don't mind cold pizza, so I'm gonna give it a try. Let's see. Wow. Well, I don't know if it was that amazing. It was a little soggy. It's been sitting there a little bit, but I think it's pretty good. Today I'm going to do a mix. We've got the Aleppo pepper powder. Lovely pepperonis. There's other things about this pizza that I really like, but it does help if you ask when you order it for extra sauce.
Hey, buddy, check it out. Pizza face.
Here we go. Aleppo pepper. It's
You
from Aleppo in California. Or Jordan. Or Jerusalem. Where's this one from? This is packed in the USA. And it doesn't say. Hey. Heat. Great sauce. Nice cheese. Great price. That's Amore. Butler Street. Amazing stuff. One of my favorites.